welcome back to On the Workbench. Today we're taking a look at this. This is the EasyRed Monster Scraper. This was purchased recently from Amazon as a new scraping tool for my arsenal of scrapers. This is compatible with razor blades. Has a thumb screw here to adjust or to remove and change your razor blade. Comes with one razor blade. This one comes in safely tucked around backwards. Flip it around using caution, and then you can secure it in place with the thumb wheel to be able to scrape away gaskets or other material. And then at this end here we have a foam grip. Now this is definitely a spongy foam and not the thermoplastic rubber that you might feel on typical soft grip screwdrivers. This is definitely soft and spongy. So I can tell just by feeling this, there's no way this would survive automotive use, and I can easily see where this grip is going to basically wear away when I put some use into this. And the other thing here that I notice is this shaft is hollow. I'd much prefer this to be solid. So I've got some concerns about this hollow shaft. At the end of this here is a cap where I could store extra razor blades in at the end, and so that's nice. Now, as far as the overall length of this scraper, let's get out the tape measure. I think that's still in frame there. And if we go from the edge of the blade all the way down to the rear end, we're looking at about 20 inches. If we go from the razor blade to the top of the grip, we're looking at about 14.5 inches. And this accepts your common razor blades. I'm just going to use here my plastic ones. You can actually get these at Menards. I really love these plastic blades. Just as a little quick tangent here. And I'll take those. And so this is, you know, in terms of the other scrapers that I've also got this. This is one you can buy. This is a cheap one from, I think this was from Lowe's. That works for razor scrapers. And then I found this attachment that's got a similar thumb wheel connection. This is all metal here. Slide in your scraper there. I've used this for scraping up some grout, doing some tile work. And then this with a quarter hex pops right into a hex screwdriver. Or I guess you could put it into, I've seen a few of those reciprocating saw adapters that'll take quarter-inch hex tools. You could do that. The business end on this EasyRed scraper here is all plastic. So there could be some durability issues with this. But as far as my purpose, I'm just going to kind of file this away as a special purpose tool and keep the blade around. If we look at the packaging here up close, this is touted as 19 inches. We already measured that up. And stores up to an extra 15 razor blades. And this is made in China. No surprise there. This does not actually say anything about a warranty. It would be nice if this had a more obvious warranty statement, given that this is a hollow shaft and this grip being, I mean, if I just move this down here, just a moderate use, and this grip is easily going to tear. It's not hard to see that this is going to tear from moderate use, or even just some light automotive chemicals getting on this is just going to tear this up and destroy it. But if you're wearing work gloves, that handle probably doesn't matter. If you need a stronger scraper, there's also these. This is my Craftsman one. That's an all-metal tang. This is definitely solid. You actually have to resharpen this with a stone or a grinder and a file to sharpen this up. This will definitely take a lot more abuse than what this will. But as you can see, just based on the length, this can get places that this little Craftsman one can't. If I'm not mistaken, I think Wild Tool out of Kansas actually made this for Craftsman. I could be wrong. If you got some insight on that, put that in the comments below. And just for comparison, here's the other screwdriver grips I'm talking about, the more hard rubber compared to this. So I hope you found this video useful and interesting. I'll put a link below to this on Amazon, and have a great day.